Hello? Am I standing in the right spot? Unlike so many of the old U.S. highway routes that have been removed or replaced by modern interstates over the years, 95 in the state of Nevada has been able to survive the test of time, and mainly because so much of its route is so rural. In fact, there are so few towns, or at least populated ones, along its almost 650-mile length that travelers would be wise to plan ahead for well-needed gas stops along the way. And it's for this reason that anytime we get to spend time on it or around it, we like to call it a PPE N95, or a Picture Perfect Excursion along Nevada 95. Needless to say, this will be the second episode in our Essential Travel series and the first to cover the N95. And to kick things off, we're going to start our PPE right here on the southernmost point of the state of Nevada, or at least close to it. So check it out. We are still standing in the state of Nevada, but as you can see right here, this is the Colorado River, and everything that you see beyond is the state of Arizona. Over to my left, that mountain range that you see out there and everything beyond is the state of California. Now, while this isn't the 95, we decided to start our excursion here for a couple reasons, and the first of which is that Laughlin is really close by. The second of which is that this is actually the starting point of another historical route that we're going to be checking out today. So this right here is Beale's Crossing. And if you look across the river, up on the bluffs, you can actually see the ruins of the old Fort Mojave. Now in 1858, the government established this as a starting point for the Old Government Road, or what most off-road enthusiasts know today as the Old Mojave Road. Of course, this route had existed long before the U.S. government had taken control over these lands, and really well before the Spanish were even here. This trail was originally created by these guys, or I should say, the people who created them centuries ago. Now, the reason why this route was created at all is because of this stuff coming out of the ground. In fact, there are watering holes just like this all along the Old Mojave Road and spaced approximately 60 miles apart. Check it out, there are pollywogs.
Oh, it went so fast.
Little tadpoles in here. So the whole point of the Old Mojave Road was to take travelers across Mojave Desert and into Southern California. And it's at this point travelers would be leaving the state of Nevada and entering into California. If you look down below, this is all the Paiute Valley and the Paiute Range beyond. And if you look really carefully, you can just make out semi-trucks cruising north and south along US Highway 95. For our purposes, this is the end of our excursion for today, and I think you'll agree that it was in fact picture perfect. We hope that you'll join us again for more PPEs in and around N95.